Okay, good afternoon. Right, let's get this on the road. Let's bring up the computer screen. Okay, I recently purchased the emsmart fiber laser print engraver. I believe they call it just the emsmart 1. It's only a little 20-watt fiber laser. It's one of the cheapest on the market. It was certainly the cheapest in the UK that I could find that was in stock in the UK. It's all very well built. I'm not going to use this as a review of the device. It's perfectly adequate for what I want to do at the moment. There are things that I would like to be able to do that I can't do with this, but I'm not going to go into any of that in this particular video. One of the biggest issues that I've had with this, and a question that I see asked a lot on Facebook, is about the software. It ships, let me just turn it on. It ships with the emsmart's branded version of EZCad Lite. Now, that's all well and good. EZCad is rubbish, and this will get a lot better soon when Lightburn brings out Lightburn for Galvo. Hopefully that's within the next couple of months. In the meantime, we have to live with EZCad. The trouble with EZCad Lite is it's got a few things missing. Let's just draw a box on the screen. Now, if we go over to the right hand side to the Advanced tab, you've only got really a couple of extra things in the Advanced tab here. You can't change very much there. The main thing that's missing that people want is wobble, which people use for cutting through thin sheets of aluminium. Up here in the main menu at the top, we've got the laser menu, but you've only got rotary marking 2, and split mark, and the special menu is missing, and I'm sure there's probably a few other things that are missing throughout the software, but apart from that, it works most of the time. It crashes every now and again. But the biggest question that I see on the Facebook pages and some of the forums is, can you use full EZCad2? And the answer is generally no. And if I open the EZCad2 folder here, this is what I downloaded just a couple of days ago. It's EZCad 2.14.11, and they are quite right. If you try to open it, it'll say can't find dongle. The software will work in demo state, which is fair enough. Not a lot we can do. You'll see that wobble's in there, but there's nothing we can do because this won't actually work in demo state. So let's get rid of this. However, if we come over here, I've got a different EZCad2 icon. If I open this up, it's not whinging, it's starting. Let's put a bit of text on the page because I feel I need to show you it actually engraved. Okay, so we've got a bit of text. Centralize out on the page. Let's hatch it. Now, if we go down to the advanced menu, you'll notice that wobble is there, and it does work, along with whatever these other extras are in here. I've not played with them yet. But more importantly, if we go up to the laser menu, there's a lot more under there now. So we've got the rotary marking and the split mark that we had before. A few other options, but project mark is there and it works. This is where you can change the engrave very slightly for going on circular items without the need of a rotary device. And you'll notice we've got a special menu up here which allows you to do some of the special things like read face 3D from DXF file. Now you can load the STL files for engraving deep 3D images from that. Let's just bring this over. So there's the bed of my engraver. Just to demonstrate that EZCad2 is working, there is a business card. I always use a focal stick just because I find it more accurate than the little dots. That'll do for now. Now, if I click the red light button, alright, if I select the text first because I've got only Mark selected, you should hopefully see now it's showing the image in the middle there. If I stop that, change total number to 0, so it only does one mark. It's going to do a crosshatch on that. Let's just put still white finish on that. Let's click mark. And there you can see EZCad2 running on the emsmart 1. Something that people keep insisting can't be done. Let's just putting the finishing touches on that. So that was that. Okay. So that's that done. Just demonstrates that it can be done. Now, where do I get this? Now, this is called the EZCad2 Community Edition. I downloaded mine from Laser Master Academy. I am a paid member. And if you log into masters.lasereverything.net and you go down to topics and we go down to downloads, and we scroll down, EZCad2 Community Edition. Now this is the version that also allows you to run EZCad2 in full operation mode without the engraver turned on. Now I am a member of Laser Everything, which gives me access to this download here. I dare say it's available for download elsewhere, so search for EZCad2 Community Edition and I'm sure you'll find it, download it, be able to play. What you will have to do when you download it, just actually let's run it in here. Go through EZCad2 Lite. I'm going to have to turn the laser back on. hear the fan. Right, go through EZCad Lite. Select the parameter 3 down at the bottom. This will bring up the parameters for your laser, and you want to go through every single window, every single setting. I took photographs of it all. Okay, your power map, you want to go through everything and check that everything matches in both. One thing that I found was different, or some things that I found was different, was on this page. The input ports were different. Also, I think under red pointer, the X and Y's were different. So you want to go through every single one of those, photograph it, all the little sub-menus, and you want to replicate that in. The other thing that you will also want to do, let me just see if I can bring in a bitmap or something off of the desktop. Actually, one of these will probably do. When you bring in a bitmap, you've got menus down in the bottom left here. You've got the power map for bitmaps. You want to check that. You want to check what's selected in EZCad Lite here for all of these options. Okay, one that I found quite important was this disable mark low grey point. It's set on 30 in here, and it was set at 0 or disabled in EZCad2. That changes the way that these are done. So again, if we open EZCad2, go through, make sure all of these, there is a couple of extra menus, just leave those as they are. But again, just go through, make sure everything's set up, and again, just bring in an image file. And go through these again. Just make sure that they're all exactly matching, and it will work. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. I will have a load of other videos coming up on how to do multi-layer deep engraves like this, how to line up coins, how to design coins. Can cover slate, pictures on slate. So take that, put that on there. Doing different colours and different depths on something like that. So if you want to see any of this, then subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when new videos come up. So hopefully that was of some use to you.